Good morning, it's Sunday, it's Beach Cams Man, and I'm down at the seafront. I don't know if you can see, but the sea is pretty brown, and this is all from what's coming out from the brook. So yeah, this Tux Plot is blocked and the gates have been shut. The two swans seem to be bathing in the path. I'm gonna have to go around this roadway. So we're just going to go up the brook, all the way up the lawn, because I've been getting reports that the nest was swept away overnight with the eggs in. Well, I won't be taking my normal route then. That's the footpath. Morning. Right, well I can see the cygnets. They seem to retreat to the footpath, which is quite good. It actually looks like the brook is getting a bit lower because it was on here overnight, as you can see. Hello. I'm not going to get too close to them today because I don't want to frighten them into the water and then them get washed away. These fellas are okay, that's good. Come on then. Hello. Hello. See, this footpath's still a bit covered here. The geese all seem pretty happy. Hello. Got no food pigeons. Yeah, you can see the water level was up to there overnight. It's starting to rain quite heavily now. I'm sorry if there's a bit of water on the lens. Well, that's very sad to see. Oh dear. How you doing?